Moi je ne joue pas, je triche, t'es l'official. T'es l'official, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, my name is Ellie, and it'll be amazing if you guys can click the subscribe button if you haven't already done so. So in today's video, I'm going to get straight into it and show you guys how I wash and blow dry my natural 4C hair without damaging it. So if you want to see how I got this look, stay tuned. Using Jamaican castor oil, I twisted my hair into sections and already did an overnight pre-poo treatment. That's such a tongue twist of a word, Jesus. But yeah, a pre-poo treatment because my hair is prone to dryness and loses moisture very quickly. This treatment is helpful because shampooing can strip moisture from the hair, and for me, applying a conditioner after shampooing isn't always enough to restore the lost moisture. So this treatment helps your hair retain extra moisture. I begin by thoroughly washing out the treatment using warm water because warm water allows the cuticles of the hair and the pores of your scalp to open up to help remove any dirt or build up from the scalp and hair. And I've also kept my twists in because it's much more manageable to handle, and you'll be less likely to experience any knots with your hair strands. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with shampooing my hair with Kira Care detangling shampoo using a reasonable amount. I apply it directly to my scalp. That's how I do it because I don't find it necessary for me to put shampoo on my hair strands. So I focus on my scalp because that's what I really want to get really clean. So I massage my scalp gently with my fingertips, and after I'm done massaging my scalp, the lava from the shampoo will naturally go down my hair strands, and that's how my strands get clean, so my entire hair and my scalp are clean. Once I'm all done, I rinse it all out and I repeat this step one more time just to ensure my scalp is squeaky clean. So my hair's all clean, and as you can see, a few of my twists unraveled, but that's fine at this stage. You can also see that I've got a lot of shrinkage, which is actually good as my hair has reverted back to its natural state, showing that it's healthy. Now I'm going in with one of my favourite deep conditioners, the Eden Bodyworks Jojoba Monoi Natural Deep Conditioner. This product is really good for my hair. It's oil based, which is perfect for my dry hair, and it also contains a bit of protein, which adds strength to my hair. So again, in sections, I evenly distribute the conditioner through all of my hair from roots to tips, detangling with my fingers, ensuring that I get every bit of hair. Especially my edges, and then I put them back into twists. Once I'm done twisting, I put on a plastic shower cap and then I wrap a towel on top of it and allow the process of natural body heat to steam it up a little. I did this for about 30 minutes to allow ample time for my hair to absorb the nutrients and hydration that deep conditioners offer. Once time was up, I rinsed out the conditioner. I mean, can we just appreciate how defined your girl's curls look? Like, really? And my hair's also soft as well. Absolutely love this deep conditioner. It does wonders for me. Definitely does wonders. So I've towel dried my hair a little, and I'm going to go in with the Kira Care leave-in conditioner, focusing more on my hair strands and tips. I then apply avocado and grapeseed oil to my hair, focusing on massaging it through my scalp and hair. This revitalizes hair, keeping it healthy, seals in moisture, protects your scalp, keeps your hair shiny, and it fights itchiness and dryness. For the last part, I'm blow drying my hair on low heat with my go-to blow dryer, the Revlon Salon One Step Hair Dryer and Styler. This hairdryer has been a time saver, but most importantly, it helps detangle and dry my hair with a lot less manipulation in comparison to the standard hair dryers out there. Just look at the difference. It also helps to blow dry your hair in sections and in a downwards motion to help smooth your hair and create a shine. I know you guys didn't see me moisturise my hair, but I didn't do it until later when I styled my hair. But good practice is to apply a moisturiser or shea butter after blow drying your hair to seal in the moisture. And voila! So I've done a trim back in December, and I know I could have cut off a bit more of my ends, but I'm going to give my hair the opportunity to try and grow and level out. But there you have it. This is how I wash and blow dry my 4C hair. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and a comment, and if you really liked it, make sure you subscribe. See ya!
Quand je vois ton vivre, moi je ne joue pas, je triche, t'es l'official.